Now let's go back in the code. So what we want to do now is to be able to pass in a Python object like a string object and then print the string from our C code. So the prototype for the print function is going to change. It will be a Py object type. So we say it is a string or it is just a pointer to an object, but we have to remember that the object should always, we have to remember that the object that is being passed here is a string object. So meaning that in the print function, we're going to kind of convert this object into strings and then print it with some Python functions. So we have different ways. I'm going to declare a, a short strings, and then we have Py object as string. We pass in the object. If I do remember, these are functions available from, these are functions available in order to like convert object into the representative form in order to be able to print them. But where can we find these functions related to all object? The same way we return in the Python repository, in the CPython repository. Here is where it is the object, the object.h file, the header file, and we can find the API related things. So we have some functions. I'm going to look for, yeah, we have some types defined here. And what else? We do have where it is. We have this Py type get module, get name, and generic operations on object. So these are related to all object, list, strings, whatever. So what we are interested in is this one, Py object str. So I think that this should return a Py string, or yes, a Python string, convert a Py object into a string. Or if you are a bit confused, you can even go on Stack Overflow and look for how those things can be used if you are a bit confused. So that's it. I'm going to return and see. So Py object string. I'm not sure. I think that So what is going to happen here is we're going to convert this object into a byte strings.